Hello everyone, it's 24th October. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page, we have US slaps sanctions on top two Russian oil firms to push Moscow into peace talks. Very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have no meeting with Trump as PM to attend ASEAN summit online. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have government says women can work night shifts everywhere except liquor shops. Again, very important for society perspective. Then we have friendship not a license to rape. High Court refuses anticipatory bail to a man. Again, very important for society perspective. Moving forward, we have BJP says Yamuna clean enough for ritual sipping. Again, very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have capital ready for its first spell of artificial rain after successful trial, says CM. Again, very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have India against unilateral sanctions but likely to limit Russian oil imports. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have the editorial page. The editorial page is always important for examination perspective. The first editorial says the collapse of sincerity. Again, very important editorial. Then we have an institution builder. Sir Syed Ahmed Khan stood for diversity, fraternity, values championed by AMU. Again, very important. Then we have PF reforms enable social security. Again, a very important article. Then we have job crisis is government crisis. Again, very important for employment perspective. Moving forward, we have Gangotri, Kedarnath and Yamunotri close for winter as Char Dham season winds down. Again, very important. Then we have 2006 Act restores livelihood dignity of forest communities. Government tells SC. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have Kashmir's first garden blooms in color serenity. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have riles to create permanent Yatri Suvidha Kendras at 76 high density stations. Again, very important news. Then moving forward, we have Judiciary Board guardian and moral conscience of Constitution, says CGI. Again, very important news of polity and governance perspective. Then we have India's reliance on imported crude oil creeps up further on demand growth. Again, very important for economy perspective. Then we have gold slips from record highs, a pause to or an end to the frenzied rally. Again, very important news for economy perspective. Then we have the growing menace of deepfakes and how government seeks to counter it with AI contact labelings. Again, very important for economy perspective. Moving forward, we have the world page. Rubio wants warm Israel not to annex West Bank after Knesset vote in favor. Then we have China's new 5-year plan sharpens focus on industry and tech. Then we have Thailand and Cambodia make progress in talks for border peace. All these news are very important for international issues perspective. Then we have China's consumption problem and why there is no easy fix. Again, very important for economy and international issues perspective. Then we have China GDP twin takeaways. Again, very important news. Lastly, we have sanctuary status for the forest of Saranda. Why this matters? Case before SC. Again, very important for environment perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.